Did you know your brain plays tricks on you every day? These illusions might seem harmless, but they reveal fascinating quirks about how our brains process reality. Let's dive into some of the most surprising ones, backed by real experiments. First, the mirror effect. Ever felt that your photos or videos look odd compared to what you see in the mirror? That's because you're used to seeing a reversed version of yourself in mirrors, but photos show you how others see you. This mismatch is why your brain feels uncomfortable. A 2015 study found that people rate their mirror image more favorably because it's the version they know best. Next, the doorway effect. Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you were there? This happens because your brain treats doorways as mental checkpoints. In 2011, researchers at Notre Dame found that moving between rooms resets your brain's focus, causing memory lapses. It's not forgetfulness, it's your brain switching contexts. Then there's the invisible gorilla experiment. Imagine focusing so hard on counting basketball passes that you completely miss someone in a gorilla suit walking by. This is called selective attention. In 1999, psychologists Christopher Chabris and Daniel Simons tested this, and half the participants failed to notice the gorilla. It shows how focus can filter out even the obvious. How about persistence of vision? Movies and animations are actually a series of still images flashing quickly. Your brain blends these images into smooth motion, creating the illusion of movement. Without this trick, films wouldn't exist. The phenomenon was first studied in the 1820s by Peter Roget, who discovered how our eyes and brain perceive motion. And don't forget the halo effect. Have you ever assumed someone is kinder, smarter, or more capable just because they're attractive? That's the halo effect at work. A 1920 study by Edward Thorndike found that people tend to make snap judgments about others based on a single positive trait, like appearance. Lastly, there's the forgetting curve. Ever crammed for a test and forgotten everything a day later? That's because your brain naturally discards unused information. In 1885, Hermann Ebbinghaus discovered that repetition over time is key to retaining knowledge. Without it, most of what you learn vanishes quickly. These brain quirks show how amazing, but imperfect our minds really are. So next time you experience one, remember, it's just your brain doing its best to make sense of the world.